Hi, I'm Rutledge.
And I'm Micah.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast. Today is February 5th, 2026. And it's also International World Nutella Day.
Ooh, I love Nutella. Anyways, on to the character of the week. Here it is. Enda from The Incredibles.
Isn't that the mean, grumpy one?
I guess so. Recently, we had two reporters go out and ask students some important questions. Let's see what Abby and Connor learned.
Hello, I am Abby, and today I'm here with Venus. Is it okay if I ask you some questions?
Yeah.
First of all, what is your favorite class?
Science.
That is a really good one. Second of all, what's your favorite music genre?
Rock.
That's a good one. And I am here with Cody today. Is it okay if I ask you some questions?
Yes.
What's your favorite school subject?
Probably English arts.
That's a good one. Secondly, what's your favorite music genre?
Music genre? Probably like grunge music.
That's a good one.
Hello, I'm Connor, and I'm here with Bentley. We're going to be asking you a few questions, if that's okay.
Yeah.
All right, first up, what is your favorite class?
Advisory.
That's a really good one. Mine too. So, next up we have, what is your favorite music genre?
Like rock.
That's a good one. Hello, Brayden. We will be asking you two questions about you today, okay?
Okay.
First up, what is your favorite class?
Miss Elliott's.
That's fair. Next up, what is your favorite music genre?
Country.
Good.
What awesome interviews. Anyways, on to the joke of the week. Two pickles fell out of a jar onto the floor. What did one say to the other? Deal with it.
Anyways, we're going to have mozzarella sticks with marinara for lunch today. Map testing will continue today in our ELA and math classes. And just a reminder for student council members to submit field trip forms to Mrs. Salzman or Mrs. Collins.
Now it's time for Pet Corner. This week's featured pet was submitted by 6th grader Emery Perkins. This is Maya, and she is a Alaskan Klekai. This breed is sometimes referred to as a miniature husky. Maya loves belly rubs, going on walks, and running outside. Emery reports that she isn't fond of playing fetch, though she loves spending time outside. Maya is a very calm dog, and she loves just laying on the couch in her kennel or even on the bed until she falls asleep. As you can tell by the photos, Maya is a very sweet dog. Thank you, Emery, for sharing the photo and information about Maya. She sounds like the perfect dog.
That dog sounds awesome. Next Tuesday will be the final day to buy candy grams at lunch, and the number of players in the school-wide air hockey tournament continues to shrink. Last year, Natalia Bauer won the tournament. I wonder who will win this year.
I don't know, but good luck. The Winter Olympics begin tomorrow. There are 4 athletes competing in the Olympics from Oregon. Tuesday was the first day of the second semester, which means that we are now over halfway through the school year. 8th graders, you only have one more semester left of middle school. 6th graders, you have an eternity.
The school newspaper, the Viking News, came out this week. If you haven't already, be sure to check it out, the article about our new custodian, Mrs. Bauer, the first meme of 2026, and an article about Milo Manheim. We have some sad news to report. Jackie and Shadow, the bald eagles nesting in Big Bear Valley, had their eggs breached by some ravens. There's a chance that Jackie could have another clutch of eggs, but we'll just have to see.
The Super Bowl is this Sunday. Who do you think's going to win? The Seahawks or the New England Patriots?
I'm rooting for the Seattle Seahawks. What about you?
I think the New England Patriots will win. And speaking of games, we actually have some footage of an assembly boys basketball game. Let's get to that now.
What a great game! Well, now it's time for the fun fact. How many hearts do you think an octopus has?
I would assume 1, right?
Actually, they have 3 hearts.
Wow. And I think that's all for the CMS broadcast.
Bye.